There's a world of wealth waiting for you, a realm of abundance beyond your wildest dreams. It's time to unlock it. Welcome to your journey toward commanding your financial future. We all come from different walks of life, with different dreams, different aspirations. But there's one thing we all have in common: the desire for financial freedom. Financial freedom is not just about the money. It's about breaking free from the constraints that limit your potential. It's about living life on your terms. But the road to financial freedom is not a leisurely stroll. It's a climb. It's a challenge. It's a test of your determination, your will, your resilience. The first step on this journey is saving. It doesn't matter how much you earn if you spend it all. The art of saving is the cornerstone of wealth creation. Budgeting is your roadmap. It's your strategy. It tells your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. A smart budget is a launch pad to your financial success. Educate yourself. Ignorance is costly. The more you learn, the more you earn. Equip yourself with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. Invest your savings. Make your money work for you. Investing isn't just for the rich, it's for everyone who dreams of becoming rich. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with those who inspire you, challenge you, and guide you. Connections can open doors to opportunities that you never imagined. Visualize your financial goals. Be specific. Be ambitious. Your goals should excite you, they should ignite a fire within you. A clear, compelling goal is a powerful motivator. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Every step forward, every goal achieved, is progress. It's proof that you're moving in the right direction. Cultivate a wealth mindset. Your beliefs about money shape your financial reality. Believe in your ability to create wealth, and you'll unlock the power to do it. So, I invite you today to take the first step. To embark on your journey towards wealth. Remember, wealth isn't a destination, it's a journey. And every journey begins with a single step. It's time to leap into the unknown, to embrace the uncertainty. It's in the leap of faith that we find our wings, that we discover our true potential. There will be obstacles. There will be doubters. There will be mistakes. But with hard work, there are no limits. Keep going. Keep growing. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are others who have walked this path, others who are walking with you. Seek guidance. Learn from the experiences of others. Balance is key. Wealth isn't just about material abundance, it's about holistic prosperity, financial, emotional, and spiritual. Strive for wealth that fulfills you. So, rise up today. Shine with all your brilliance. Unleash your potential. The world of wealth is waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards wealth. You have the power to create wealth, to live a life of abundance. Believe in that power. Harness it. Unleash it. Until next time, keep striving, keep believing, and keep unlocking your prosperity. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.